Welcome back to the channel guys, Southscoot88. Showcase ko lang guys yung mga collection natin ng scooters and of course helmets. Yung nakikita nyo ngayon, familiar naman kayo dyan, Dio 3 ZX Millennium. On top of it is yung Xperia 3 Marc Marquez Shoei with red iridium lens. So, or X14. Basta sa Japan kasi X14 eh. Sa ibang bansa pala, sa Japan Xperia 3. Next is our, of course, familiar kayo dyan with my X-Max 300. On top of it is the Arai RX-7X Shogun. Naka silver iridium siya na light smoke. Tapos, in front of that is the Nolan Chaz Davis na light smoke din siya na visor. So lahat po sila nakapalit ng visor. So yan, kung mapapansin niyo rin no guys, mahilig tayo sa mga racing replica na helmets. Yung gusto ko kasi yung medyo mag-graphic. Yung graphics niya medyo maganda. Hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng matagal na ako nagkaroon ng ng solid color. So medyo in line tayo ngayon sa yung mga racing replica is yung mga ganyan nga. Yung mga makukulay or maganda yung graphics. Si Nolan made in Italy. Si Arai is made in Japan. And of course, this is Shoei made in Japan. So next video natin guys, i-compare natin ito, yung Pedrosa Gold. Yan, nandyan yung Arai na yan na nakikita nyo. Yan yung recent natin na-acquire. So, tapos, i-compare natin yan to the Xperia 3 Shoei na Marc Marquez. Yung Arai, Pedrosa Gold, Pedrosa, tapos ito naman Marquez. So, yan. Yung mapapansin nyo, maganda yung visor niyan eh. Tapos, I will let you see, of course, I would let you experience ko ano yung viewing point of view niya, yung kung galing sa loob ng helmet para makita nyo yung difference in yung red iridium tsaka yung isang iridium na nasa Arai. Yung Arai kasi medyo dark siya so yun yung gamit ko pag daytime or mataas yung araw. Pero sa gabi naman kaya. Pero next video, I'll let you view it from the inside of my helmets. So yan sila guys. So sila yung isa side by side natin tsaka yung closer look kasi dun sa mga graphics niya maganda talaga. So yan guys, yan yung Dio tsaka yung X-Max. Dio is from Yamaha, X-Max is from Dio is from Honda, and this Yamaha naman yung X-Max 300 natin. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will be informed once we upload a new video. Always drive safe guys. See you around guys. Thank you.